Hello everyone, in this session I am going to teach you about the SQL, that is Structured Query Language, and this video is the part 2 of MS Access. Part 1 I have already uploaded, so if you have not watched till yet you have to watch the part 1 of the MS Access. This is the part 2 video of your MS Access, in which we will create table, insert data, update data, delete data with the help of SQL commands. First need to understand what is the SQL. SQL is structured query language, and in which we are sorting, manipulating and retrieving the data from the database. First understand what are the different SQL statements we have. We can say that the SQL query: create command, insert command, update command, delete command and select command. These are the major command or statement in SQL. So we need to study one by one in detail, and after then we will see the practical of where to write these command in MS Access. So firstly I'm going to teach you about the create command. First need to understand the syntax. Create table, table name, parenthesis open, field name, data type, field name 2, data type, field name 3 and data type of field name 3, and dash so one parenthesis semicolon. This is the syntax of create command. In the same way we have insert query or insert command. First need to understand the syntax. If you don't know the syntax, pause the video and write down the syntax in your notebook. Create command syntax for the insert query. Insert into, here is the word into, table name, parenthesis open, column 1, column 2, column 3, parenthesis close, then values, then parenthesis open, value 1 comma value 2 comma value 3 dash and bracket close, and last में semicolon. Okay, in the same way we have the update command. What is the syntax of it? Update table, update name, set column 1 is equal to value 1, column 2 is equal to value 2, where condition. This is the syntax. And then we have the delete command. What is the syntax of the delete command? Is delete from table name where condition. This is the syntax for the delete command. Next we have the select command. Syntax is select start from table name. There are various syntax I have discussed with you. Lastly put the semicolon. I forget to put the semicolon. So now one by one we will study about how this command practically work. So let's go for it. First of all I'm going to open the MS Access. Okay, in the MS Access, so from there I'm just open whatever I have created in the part 1. So we created any file in part 1, so you just click on the open button. I have created the school. I have given the file name is school, and I have created table name, that is student. So this is what we have created in the part 1 video of MS Access. Now I want to create a different table with the help of SQL, insert the data with the help of SQL, and we have to update and delete the data with the help of SQL. So now let's understand how we will do with the help of SQL query. So till now just look at this window. We have a table name, that is student. There is no other table, and this is the record of student table. Okay, how we have created the table and all these things, for this you have to watch my first video of MS Access. Now the first question might become in your mind that where we have to write the SQL statement. So for this you have to click on create, then you have to click on query design option. Here you get the query design option. Close this, and at the left corner of your window you will get the SQL view. In the SQL view you will get two options, SQL view and SQL design view. If you click on the SQL view, then this window will come, and if you click on design view, then something this window will come. So we have to click on SQL view. Okay, and whatever the query we have to write in this window, and this is my query one. So firstly I am going to create table. Now see, here is only one table, that is student table. So suppose now I'm going to create the one more table, that is name EMP, employee, and the short form is EMP I have given. So what is the syntax you have? Create table. The name of the table is EMP. Then you have to give the field. First field I have given ID, and the data type is integer. Second value I want to give the name, and data type is varchar, and size is 10. When you create the integer data type, you need not to give the size, and here you have to give the size. Then the next one is city. The data type is varchar, and the size might be 10, comma, address. And the address is, data type is varchar. That is 20 I have given. And finally last, this one is opening parenthesis, so this one is closing parenthesis, and the semicolon. Okay, so this is the, what is the, I am going to revise the syntax. Create table, table name, the table name is EMP. Okay, open the parenthesis. Field 1 data type, field is ID, data type is integer. Field is name, data type is varchar. Field name is city, data type is varchar. Field name is address, data type is varchar, and here I have given the size, okay, of that field, and in the integer you need not to give the size. Parenthesis close, semicolon, and you have written this SQL query. Now you have to see this run. You have to click on this run. As soon as you click on this run, now see, my EMP table is created. Okay, I have created this table with the help of statement. Now click on this EMP table. Now see, these are the field value automatically created when we have write the syntax of create statement. This is first value is, first field is ID, then name, then we have city, then we have address. So now there is no value in this table, so now we have to insert the data. So again go to the this window. Now you have to write is your insert data. So you have to write your insert window. Okay, so now you have to insert the data, so you should write the insert query. Insert into, insert into, then you have the table name. What is the table name? EMP. Then you have open the bracket and give the field value. First one is ID, then next one is name, then next one is city, the next one is address. Then you have to write the values then you have to give the value of this id. Suppose I have given 101. Name I have given, my name is Mahendra, so I just given the name, comma, city Kanpur, comma, and address suppose I have given Barra. Okay, last में semicolon. So you have written the syntax, written the insert query. What is the syntax? Insert into table name. Table name is emp, and whatever the field value you have, id, name, city, address, then you have to write the values. Then given the value 101 for value is for id, name Mahendra, then you have city, you have to give the name of the city, then address, then you have to give the name of address. Okay, so as soon as I just now you have to run the query. For run the query you have to go to the design. Here is your design option, and then you will see this run. You have to click on this run button. Then this value will ask, you have to give the name Mahendra, then it asks for parameter value, you have to write Kanpur, then this value again Barra. Okay. Click on the OK button, then it is the message that you have about to append one row. Are you sure want to append? Yes. Now see, so this query runs successfully. If you click on this emp table, now see, there is no data came. Okay, for this, but we have inserted one row. So for you need to refresh this table. As soon as you put on the refresh button, now see the table which I have insert command, I have the insert command, that data inserted when you refresh the table. Okay, I have given the id. Now see what the value I have inserted, 101 Mahendra, Kanpur, Barra. So what is this value? id 101, name Mahendra, city Kanpur, address Barra. Okay, so in this table this one row is inserted. In the same way we will insert at least 4 or 5 values. So again we have to go to the query window, and query window, then we have to write the id 102. In the place of name should be changed, I have given Amit, and this text value you should give into the brackets. Okay, single comma, then and it must be changed to now. Put the single inverted comma, and the address, give the any address. Suppose I have given address Govind Nagar. Okay, now go to the design, run, then one you will get same message. Now see, check your table. Now there is only one data, then you have to refresh, then again this value is inserted. Okay, in the same way you have to write one more, 1 2 3 more data. I have given insert mark 103. Let's change the name Amit to yeah, it is a Agra. Address could be anything, suppose address XYZ. Okay, go to the design, press on run command, click on yes button, click on the employee emp table. Now prior record is not coming here. Click on the refresh button. Now see, one record is inserted. Again you have to give the value, insert command for one more record. id have given 104. Name, now change any name, could be suppose Nirala, and the city is suppose Mumbai. Address is suppose PQR. Okay, run this query. Go to the design window, click on the run button. Okay. How to check? Click on the EMP table and press the refresh button. Now see, now insert one more data. We have the 5 record 105 and the name suppose I have given to Komal. City is Delhi. Address is ABC suppose. Fine. How to run? Click on the design option. You will get the run button. Click over the run button. You will get the message of one row inserted. How to check? Click on this EMP table and refresh. Now there is no record of table. As soon as you press on this refresh, now see, so till now we have created a table with the help of SQL and inserted 5 record. Okay, so insert and create is clear to you. Now suppose I want to change name. Suppose my name is Mahen, my ID is 102. I want to change my city Kanpur. Right now it is showing Kanpur, but I want to change to it suppose put in Noida. Okay, so we have to write which command? Update command, because I want to change my city to Noida. So go to the query window, then erase this. You have to write the syntax for update command. What is the syntax for update command? Update table name set column 1 is equal to value 1 where condition. So just write update table name is EMP. Then you have to write set. What we need to set? Column 1 is equal to value 1. Which column? City. I want to city change to which location? Noida. Then you have to give the condition where what is the condition? What is my ID? Like the EMP table where ID is equal to 101. So we have to write where ID is equal to 101 semicolon. For the syntax? Update table name is EMP. Okay, set column is equal to value. Column is city. My city I want Noida. Now see the table. Here is my city Kanpur, and as soon as I update this query, my city will be changed to Noida. How to run this query? Click on the design button. You will see the run option over there. Click on this. Now record is updated. Okay, check into the table. See, my city changed to Noida. Okay, so this is how earlier it was Kanpur, now it is showing Noida. So this is how you can run with the update command or update query. So here we have in create, insert and update command. Now next query is, suppose I want to see the table. Okay, then we have the select statement. What is the syntax? Select star from table name EMP. What is the syntax? I have given the syntax from earlier from this video, so you should write down the syntax, so when you just practice it you have the clear idea. What is the syntax? Select star from table name. Table name is EMP. As soon as you run this query, then it will be display all the data. Run this query. Now see, it had display all the data. Now suppose I want only ID and name. I want only ID and name. Then what we have to write? in your query. So just go to the create query design. This, go to SQL option, SQL view. Now I want only, this is my table, ID, name, city, address. I want only ID and name. Then you have to write the select ID, name from the table name EMP, semicolon. As soon as you run this query, how to run? Go to the design, press on this run command, then see, now we have only ID and name. My whole table EMP has contained the 4 field ID, name, city, address, and I have written a query in which I just get ID and name. Okay, now I want to next one is delete. How to delete a record? So I want to create a query for delete. So go to the query design, SQL, where I have to write, then you have to write the delete, syntax of delete, delete from table name where condition. Now see, suppose this is my record 101 Mahendra. I have refreshed it. This is my table 101 Mahendra, city Noida, and address is Barra, and I want to delete this entry from my database. Okay, for this you need to write the delete from table name where condition, where ID is equal to, my ID is 101. Okay, this is, I have written the query. Now run this query. You will get a message, you are about to delete one row from the specified table. Click on yes button. How to check? Click on the EMP table. Now see, my record is deleted. Okay, you refresh it, then the ID of 101, entire row of ID 101 is deleted. So this is how you can create a table, delete a table, update a table, and select the data, write the different query with the help of SQL statement. So I hope definitely you have enjoyed this session and understand what are the different command in SQL. So that is as SQL, and most probably learn the syntax of SQL. If you have learned the syntax, then it will be very fine for you. If there is still any kind of doubt, then you may ask. And this is complete session of MS Access in terms of SQL manually and with the help of command. That means we have created the data manually in MS Access in my first video, and in this video I have shown you how to manipulate the data like insert, update, delete with the help of SQL command. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you everyone. Have a nice time ahead.